Okay.
This is Godzilla Puppet Pals in Godzilla Kills the Narrator. Cast: Godzilla, narrator, and Spider-Man. Let's see. I need bacon, eggs, Godzilla! I wrote this play. You want to taste it for you, EBO? It is pretty juicy. Oh, hey Godzilla. Oh, hi Spider-Man. Have you ever seen the narrator around? I thought that I heard that he was in town this day. Oh yeah, I ate him out, like, I think yesterday. You ate the narrator? You're crazy! We don't even exist anymore. So what are we supposed to do for life? What am I supposed to do for life? You look kind of juicy.